Today I'm going to share with you a recipe which is Lauki Chana Dal. So here I have the soaked chana dal. We're going to add some ghee in this recipe. You can add oil if you want, but I'm just going to add some ghee, just a little bit. Now we're going to add some whole cumin seeds. Some cumin seeds. I love cumin. If you see, I add cumin in almost all my recipes. A pinch of asafoetida, some slit green chillies, some turmeric powder, chopped ginger. The best thing about this is it's so quick and easy to make that anybody can make it. We're going to add the soaked chana dal. We'll just sauté the dal for 1 or 2 minutes and add the remaining ingredients: cumin powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of red chilli powder. About a minute or two we sauté it. Now we'll add the bottle gourd or lauki. Now by the time we cook it, the bottle gourd will blend so well in the dal that they won't even realize that there's bottle gourd or lauki in this. Now we're going to add some water. Just a little bit, not too much. And the best thing about this is it's like a one dish meal. Dal is also there, vegetable also is there. Now we're going to add the salt to taste. And that's it. Just have to cook it about 2 whistles and then maybe for a couple of minutes on slow gas till the dal is done. So here I'm going to put the lid. So once the steam is formed, we'll just add the pressure. Once we have 2 whistles, we'll keep it on sim for a while and then it's ready to eat. I think now this should be ready. 2 whistles are done and it's cooled down. Now this dish is almost ready. Almost. We're just going to add a bit of lime juice just to give it a bit tangy flavor and lots of coriander to garnish. We'll put some inside and then some for garnish. It's such an amazing recipe. See the dal, it should remain like this. If you touch it, it's absolutely cooked but it's khara khara. Looks so good and tempting. Let's add some freshly chopped coriander. Absolutely ready to eat. Serve it with hot steamed rice and voila. Chana dal lauki is absolutely ready.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.